Looking for reliable toner cartridges that deliver sharp, vibrant prints without breaking the bank? The Cool Toner 218X 4-pack offers exactly that for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3301 series printers. Designed to match the quality of OEM cartridges, these compatible toners come pre-installed with chips, so you're ready to print right out of the box. This set includes 4 high-yield cartridges: black, W2180X, cyan, W2181X, yellow, W2182X, and magenta, W2183X. Each cartridge is engineered to produce consistent, vivid colors and crisp text, making it ideal for both professional documents and colorful presentations. Plus, the high yield means fewer replacements and more printing time. With the black toner capable of printing up to 3,200 pages and each color cartridge delivering up to 2,500 pages at 5% coverage, this pack is perfect for busy offices or home users who need dependable volume without sacrificing quality. The cartridges fit seamlessly with HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3201DW, 3301FDW, 3301CDW, and 3301 SDW models, ensuring smooth operation and hassle-free installation. What sets these cool toner cartridges apart is their built-in chip technology. Unlike other compatibles that require you to transfer chips from old cartridges, these come ready to go. That means no downtime, no confusing steps, and a straightforward replacement process that keeps your printer running smoothly. If you're searching for toner cartridges that combine affordability with performance, this 4-pack is worth a look. It offers the quality and reliability you expect from HP originals but at a fraction of the cost. Whether you print reports, flyers, or photos, expect sharp details and vibrant colors every time. Choosing Cool Toner means you're getting cartridges that maintain consistent output, reduce waste, and keep your workflow uninterrupted. These cartridges are designed to meet the demands of high-volume printing without compromising on color accuracy or text clarity. Ready to upgrade your printing experience? The Cool Toner 218X 4-pack provides a smart, cost-effective solution tailored for your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3301 series. Try it when you're ready and see how easy it is to get professional quality prints without the premium price tag. Don't settle for less when it comes to your printer supplies. This toner cartridge set delivers dependable performance and vibrant results that matter. If you want hassle-free installation, long-lasting cartridges, and sharp prints, this is the choice that fits your needs.